Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're having an issue with Overwatch that says your rendering device has been lost, application closing. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to open up a services settings. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services and then click mo lang dito yung open. So once na open mo na tong services at dito lang sa services local at dito sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung SYS main. So scroll down lang tayo and then i-locate lang natin dito yung SYS main service. Okay? So kapag na-locate mo na and then select mo lang and kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And dito sa kanyang SYS main properties, so dito lang sa general at dito sa startup type, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung automatic. And then dito sa kanyang service status ay click mo lang dito yung start and then wait natin. Alright, so after, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to disable those apps that cause the problem. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to right-click on a taskbar. So dito lang sa blank space area. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung task manager. And dito sa task manager at dito lang sa processes tab, and then select mo lang dito kung ano yung apps na nagko-cause ng problem. Okay, so iselect mo lang ganyan and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung and task. Alright, click mo lang yan. Alright, so after dito sa task manager and then close lang natin yan. And other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update your device drivers. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on a start menu and then select mo lang dito yung device managers. Click mo lang yan. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand, and then dito ay kailangan lang natin i-update itong ating graphics driver. Okay? Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So select mo lang yan and then right click and select mo lang dito yung update driver. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa and then itap mo lang tong search automatically and then wait natin. And makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Right? So after dito, then close lang natin itong device manager, and dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix your rendering device has been lost Overwatch error. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.